Hello and welcome. This is part one of a two-part video. We're going to use the knife tool to clean up some topology using Blender 2.91, and then we're going to, in part two, we're going to work on some UV unwraps. So I found a file of Notre Dame, a model of Notre Dame, and I downloaded it. I will put a link in the description. Since we don't know what it was loaded with, we need to shut this off. And let's turn on our little button thingy here. And I think it needs to be, move it over a little bit so you can see it. I changed the text a little size so we can see it. Okay, so here's the model. Awesome model, but it's like they quit 5 minutes early for some reason, as you can see. But that's not what we're going to talk about. We're going to look on the inside here. We see these segments, and they've got some issues. So first off, we're going to look at the topology. So we're going to do a Control I, and then a hide, H to hide, and back to a Control I, and then go into edit mode. And let's look at this object and see what kind of mess we have. Okay, so we really should have an edge across there, one across here, here, maybe one there, and down here. So let's use the knife tool and another option to show you how to clean that up. So when you use the knife tool, if you're going to do a cut across like this one, you want to be sure that you're hitting it straight on, because if you were tilted like this and you cut through, the knife tool is going to cut straight through. So then you'd end up with a edge that went at an angle like that. So, right, so type a K for knife, and as you can see on the bottom, it has all these extra little helpers there. So we're going to do a C for constrain, the angle down here. Turn that on, and then Z to cut through. So we go ahead and grab that point there, and as you can see with this constraint, it constrains it to 45-degree angle. All right, did we get it all the way through? Yes, we did. All right, so we got that one. Let's make a couple more. Okay, constraint Z, grab this one, drag it all the way across. Hit enter to confirm. K, C, Z. Confirm. Okay. Now we got a mess here with these things, so we'll see about fixing that. So what we need to do is we pull up this tool options auto merge, hide that, and go into vertex mode, and we'll grab some of these vertices and fix them. So I'm going to do a GG, just drag it over like so. Oh, and to show you that it's working, let's see, is it this one? Yes. Turn on stats. So it shows my vertices. So if I would go into wireframe mode and select them all, we only have one vertice. So we were able to collapse that guy. If you didn't turn that option on the merge, then you'd end up with 2. We don't want that. That's ugly. You want to be sure and do a GG. If you don't do a GG, just do a G, then you get not pretty, right? GG, drag it over, merge it. So let's fix a couple more of these. GG, GG, so on. So that's the tip. Show you how to do cleanup of an object that you imported from someplace, some alien object. All right, that's the end of part 1. Be sure to check out part 2 where we're going to show you why we did this. And that will be doing some texturing. So if you like this video, you want to see some more, don't forget to subscribe. Click that little button. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye.